Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 62 of Surah An-Nisa and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أولئك الذين يعلم الله ما في قلوبهم. For Dhamma, circle ellipse, and the sound is short because we are not considering this wow because we can see this zero at the top. When we find this zero, we don't pronounce that letter. So don't feel that there is this wow. So this Hamza is very short. The sound is Hamza is very short. U, la, 4 counts long, month, muttasil, wajib, la, I. Hamza is very sharp, and for kasra give E sound, the sound is very short. Kal, kaf is light, for fatha open jaws attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Kal, and fatha is very short. La, the 2 counts long, na, short. Yeah, keep ya very short for fatha open jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat clearly. Yeah, la is short. Mul, keep meme light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find dhamma before it. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. Mullah, and it will be 2 counts long. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Fi, give hums and fa, make it 2 counts long. After that, this is hums, this is flow of breath, and then E, it's 2 counts long. Fi, Qaf is heavy. Lift your root of your tongue up to make it heavy, but you are not circling your lips. For the circle lips, the sound is short. Lu, for the circle lips. B, for constructive E sound. Him, for constructive E sound. Type with me gets above the wasut. F, give hums for fatha open jaws. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ain. Ain gets above the wasut, and ain is light. Re, for constructive E sound. Re. This sound should not be disturbed. This E sound, re, and then attach a dot. Dot will get sifaf raqawa and istatala, and it is heavy. Real, real. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with noon you get sifa of tawassut and ruling is idhar. An, whom for the circle lips attached with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Make it, give it tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. For wow circle lips, fatha open jaws. And for kasra give E sound. Ain should be from your throat. The sound is short. Attached with go will get rakhawa, and it is heavy. And we are not disturbing this kasra. It should stay the same. And then attach with dha. Hum, for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of the wasut. Wa, for wow circle ellipse fatha upon it just the sound is short. Ul, qaf is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. And this is idgham without gunna. Yes. Ul, la, for fatha upon just hum, for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of the wasut. Fi, give hums, make it 4 counts long because this is mad. Munfasil jaiz. Fi, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws, and after that there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. So make your mouth ready to say fa. You are not going towards the makhraj of noon, keeping the sound in your nose, and that is all about ikhfa. Keeping the sound in your nose is so important, and making gunna is so important that some scholars call this ikhfa gunna because the gunna is so important in ikhfa. And fu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Si for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with meme. We will get zip off the wasut. Qaw, qaf is heavy for tau upon your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Make it soft because this is lean. Qaw, lam, iqlab. You're changing the sound of noon into meme. Um, and keeping the sound in your nose at the same time. Lam, ba is short. Li, 2 counts long. Go, make it heavy and make it 2 counts long because this is mad, or you're exchanging the sound of noon into long vowel. Go, أولئك الذين يعلم الله ما في قلوبهم فأعرض عنهم وعظهم وقل لهم في أنفسهم قولا بليغا. For wow circular lips of when yours the sound is short, ma 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jais. Aw hamza is very sharp for when jaws attached with raw will get sifal. Tawassut and raw is heavy because you can find fatha before it because raw is with sukoon itself. أو سل for fatha open you jaws attached with lam you get sifal. Tawassut na 2 counts long. Nir, keep this sound same. Mim kasra me, and then attach it. Raw will be heavy. Keep mim light because this is idgham without gunna. So you are not keeping sound in your nose at all. Nir, me and then raw. Raw is heavy for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short with fatha. Raw, su, 2 counts long. Lean for kasra give e sound. A ruling is the idhar, but sifa is the wasut. Lean, il, hamza is very sharp attached with lam will get sifa of the wasut. La, then it is 2 counts long after that. Illa, li, focus like an e sound. You keep soft for the circular lips. The sound is short. You po is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. I'm from your throat. The sound is short. D focus like an e sound. E focus like an e sound attached with dal gets it off. And engage right makhraj for that. E Nil for kasra give e sound attached with lafz jilala. Lafz jilala will be light because there is kasra before it. Nila. Make it 4 counts long because this is mad arid lisakun. And then because we are giving ha sakun, so there will be rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. So the sound of ha will not stop. For circular lips for the open users, it sounds short. Low for the open users, it type it well and make it 2 counts long because this is lean. And hamza is very sharp for the open users, it type it no will get sifa of hunna, and this hunna is akmal. So give the sound in your nose for a longer time. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And for fatha, the sound is short and open your jaws. Na hum for the muscle lips attached meaning gets sip off the wasut. This is idgham. So you are pronouncing this dha. There will be rakhawa, and that is heavy. And then for fatha, the sound is very short. Allah, but it will be heavy. Allah. When you are attaching hamza with the is heavy. When you are giving fatha, the is heavy. So both with the sa, the should be heavy. Allah, la is short. Mu, 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp for fatha point jaws. And there's ikhfa coming up. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Fu. There's hums in fa. Hums means a flow of breath. For the circle lips, the sound is short. Sa. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hum. For the circle lips attached with meme gets above the wasut. Ja. 4 counts long. Ooh. Hamza is very sharp. For the circle lips, then make it 2 counts long. Ka. Ka is short. The sound is short. First, for fatha open jaws and bring hums. Attach with scene. Scene will get sifa for and there is speed. There is only sound of S in scene. There is no Z. So don't give any mixture of Z and S, but this is only S. Fas, fas, Ta is very sharp. There's no flow of sound. For fatha open jaws attached with gha. Ghain will get sifa for and it is heavy. So the sound should flow. Fa is short and there should be hums before fatha. But for fatha, the sound is short. This is hums, but fatha is short. Fa, uru. Ra is not anymore long because it is attached with lafz jalala. Uru, but ra is heavy for dhamma circle lips. Uru, by default it is 2 counts long. Ha for ha, bring it from your throat. For fatha open yours. Was for wow circle lips. For fatha open yours attached with sin may get sifa for and safid. Was ta is very sharp of fatha open jaws attached with ghain is heavy and make it give it a rakhawa. Rakhawa is full of sound. Fa give hums and then fatha is very short. Fa ra is heavy for the fatha open jaws. La for fatha open jaws the sound short. Hu for the circle lips. More keep meme light but lips ra will be heavy. For fatha and dhamma, if ra is with fatha or dhamma, ra is always heavy. Ra, su, make it 2 counts long. Lu, for dhamma circle lips. La, short. Wa, for wow circle lips. Fatha open jaw. Ja, jim is short. Do, dal is short now because it is attached with lafz jalala. Do, keep dal light but lafz jalala heavy. Do, it will be 2 counts long. Ha, short. Taw, ta is very sharp, and when it is attached with wow, there is number. Whenever wow and ya is with sakoon, tashdid, sorry, with tashdid, it gets number and number is a jump of sound. When you are attaching this ta with wow, here the number will be applied. Taw, and then wa is 2 counts long. Wa, ba is light, but lafz jalala is heavy. Ba, wa, ra is heavy. 2 counts long. Mad. I will make it 2 counts long. وما أرسلنا من رسول إلا ليطاع بإذن الله ولو أنهم إذ ظلموا أنفسهم جاءوك فاستغفروا الله واستغفر لهم الرسول لوجدوا الله توابا رحيما. ف, give hams for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La, two counts long. Wa for wow circle for fatha open jaws. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws attached. Ba is sharp, very sharp sound, no flow of sound. Rod, and then for kasra give e sound. B, ka is light for fatha open jaws. La, two counts long. You, yeah, yeah, should be soft for dhamma circle lips attached with hamza. Hamza will give it a abrupt stop because it has shidda. So there will be no flow of sound. You, me, focus on it. E sound. No, for the muscles, make it two counts long. Na, short. Had, have from your throat, for fatha open jaws attached with ta. There is no flow of sound when you are attaching with ta. Had, and then ta will be two counts long. You, for the muscle lips, yeah, it's very soft. Ha, ha, for fatha open jaws attached with calf. Calf will be very sharp. Ha, E for kasra give E sound. Mu for the circle, let's make it two counts long. Ka short. Fi give hums and then make it two counts long. Ma two counts long. Sh for fatha open jaws. Ja for fatha open jaws. Oro is heavy. Sha ja oro bay. Make it two counts long because it's lean. Na short. For the circle lips attached with meme gets about the wasud. For the circle lips attached with meme, we will get sifa gunna, and that is akmal gunna. So give very nice gunna sound here. But fatha is short. Ma, la, two counts long. Yeah, from your is very soft for fatha open jaws. G for kasra give E sound. Do for the muscle, let's make it two counts long. Fi give hums and then make it four counts long because this is mad munfasil. Ja is hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws. Then bring in ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light, so keep the tongue straight. Who give hums in fa, and but the ma will be very short. Fu, fi for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with meme and gets above the wasud. Ha from your throat for fatha open jaws. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. Jam for fatha open jaws attached with meme, and meme will get sifa of akmal gunna. Jam meme. Don't drop this kasra sound. Meme. Again, you're giving punna, akmal punna, and then after that, it will be two counts long. Ma, qaf is heavy for fatha punjas. Gai for fatha punjas attached with me. Yeah, make it two count long because this is lean. Gai, and make it soft. Ta, short. Or for wow circle lips, fatha punjas. You for the circle lips. The sound is very soft. Sell, give the wasut on lam. Li, focus on give E sound. The sound is short. Mu, two counts long for the circle lips. Tas, ta is very sharp of a open jaws attached with seen. Seen will get sifa, prokawa, and safid, and it is light. Tas, li, two counts long. Mad awat, you're exchanging the sound of noon into long vowel, so that is making it two counts long. فلا وربك لا يؤمنون حتى يحكموك فيما شجر بينهم ثم لا يجدوا في أنفسهم حرجا مما قضيت ويسلموا تسليما. Beautiful ayat, beautiful ayat. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to ponder on all the ayat, but especially these ayat. Subhanallah. اللهم ارزقني التفكر والتدبر بما يتلوه لساني من كتابك والفهم له والمعرفة بمعانيه والنظر في عجائبه والعمل بذلك ما بقيت، إنك على كل شيء قدير. اللهم آنس وحشتي في قبري، اللهم ارحمني بالقرآن العظيم واجعله لي إماما ونورا وهدى ورحمة. اللهم ذكرني منه ما نسيت وعلمني منه ما جهلت، وارزقني تلاوته آناء الليل وآناء النهار، واجعله لي حجة يا رب العالمين. آمين يا رب العالمين. جزاك الله خير. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك، أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت، أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.